underground shit over here, nigga. Oh shit, I like this beat, you know, cause it's really funky and fresh. But I'm about to freestyle on it, cause I feel like the best. Why you wanna be up on my chap, not up on my trap? Now you want me up on this track? I know you feel me, nigga, up on this track. I'm up in the club, yeah, I'm bringing it back, yeah. I'm bringing it back like the funky hairstyle, like the dance style that you didn't know. Cause you know why? Cause you a little kid, bro. But I'm about to hit you with that Snoop flow. Ooh, chicken pow wow. Now you rock down, pow down. Yeah, I'm about to rap on that. Now you want me to give the track back, bring it back, cause you know, cause I'm about to blow. Now you about to go, let me see the feeling go. I'm about to freestyle on that, yeah. Bring back rap, yeah. Let's see the sound, yeah. Bring it back my shit, yeah. That's my nigga over there, you already know. I'm about to hit you with that hardcore flow on that 1-4 though. Yeah, I'm 1-4 son, but it's really cool, nigga, cause I'm up for that 0-3-4. You ain't never